What if I told you the biggest threat to Apple's silicon isn't Intel? And it's not AMD either. It's NVIDIA. The same company that dominates AI is now coming after the future of personal computing. And their new RTX Spark platform could completely change what happens on your desk. Most people haven't heard about it yet. But by the end of this video, you'll understand why some experts believe NVIDIA is building the future while Apple is still perfecting the present. And concept number 7 changes everything. Let's get started. For years, Apple Silicon has been the gold standard for efficiency. The M-series chips shocked the industry. They delivered incredible performance, amazing battery life, and quiet operation. MacBooks suddenly became faster than many desktop computers. That was a huge achievement. But NVIDIA is attacking the problem from a completely different angle. Apple built a better computer. NVIDIA is trying to build a better AI computer. That difference matters a lot. Most consumers still buy computers for web browsing, email, streaming, office work. But the next generation of computing will be built around AI. And that's where RTX Spark enters the picture. Here's the first thing people need to understand. RTX Spark was designed for AI first. Not productivity first. Not battery life first. AI first. That means the hardware is optimized to run large AI models directly on your machine, without relying on cloud servers, without monthly subscriptions, and without sending your data somewhere else. Think about that for a second. Most AI tools today require the internet. RTX Spark is designed to bring that power directly to your desk. And that's just the beginning. Now here's where things get interesting. Concept number 2. Raw AI performance. Apple's M-series chips are powerful. Nobody is denying that. But NVIDIA has spent years dominating one specific area: artificial intelligence. Their GPUs train some of the most advanced AI systems on Earth. Chatbots, image generators, video creators, autonomous systems. Many of them run on NVIDIA hardware. RTX Spark takes that expertise and shrinks it down into a desktop platform. The goal isn't simply faster computing. The goal is faster thinking. For AI. And that distinction changes everything. Most benchmarks people look at today won't tell the full story. The future benchmark isn't rendering video. It's generating intelligence. Let's talk about concept number 3. Local AI changes the economics. Today many creators pay monthly fees. $20, $50, sometimes hundreds of dollars per month, for AI services. Now imagine running many of those tasks locally. The cost structure changes completely. A content creator could generate images, write scripts, analyze data, create marketing content, without sending every request to a cloud server. That could save serious money over time. Especially for small businesses. Especially for creators. Especially for entrepreneurs. And most people aren't paying attention to this shift yet. Pattern interrupt. But wait. The most surprising part isn't the hardware. It's what the hardware enables. And that's concept number 4. AI agents. Right now most people use AI like a search engine. Ask a question. Get an answer. Done. But AI agents work differently. They perform tasks. Multiple tasks. Automatically. An AI agent could research a topic, write content, create images, organize files, and generate reports with minimal supervision. This is where NVIDIA believes computing is heading. Not smarter apps, smarter workers, digital workers, and AI agents require massive computing power. That's exactly what RTX Spark is designed to support. Concept number 5. Content creation at another level. This one matters for YouTubers, filmmakers, editors, and marketers. Video generation is improving rapidly. Every month the tools become more powerful. But powerful AI requires powerful hardware. RTX Spark aims to make advanced content creation more accessible. Imagine creating entire marketing campaigns from a desktop workstation. Images, videos, scripts, voiceovers, analytics, all accelerated through AI. That future is getting closer than most people realize. Concept number 6. The software advantage. Many people focus only on hardware. That's a mistake. The real battle happens in software. NVIDIA has spent years building AI ecosystems, developer tools, frameworks, optimization platforms, enterprise solutions. These tools create a competitive advantage that is difficult to replicate. Because hardware can be copied, ecosystems cannot. And that gives NVIDIA a significant head start. Here's where it gets really interesting. Concept number 7. The hidden advantage nobody talks about. Most people think Apple and NVIDIA are fighting over computers. They're not. They're fighting over the future of artificial intelligence. That's the real battle. Apple wants AI integrated into devices. NVIDIA wants AI powering everything. Cars, robots, businesses, factories, healthcare, research, data centers. The computer itself is only one piece of a much larger strategy. And that's why RTX Spark matters. It's part of something much bigger. Pattern interrupt. Now here's the question nobody is asking. What happens if every professional gets access to enterprise-level AI? That leads us to concept number 8. Productivity acceleration. Imagine reducing a 5-hour task to 30 minutes. Imagine automating repetitive work. Imagine having an assistant available 24 hours a day. That's where this technology is headed. Businesses are already experimenting with these workflows. And early adopters are seeing huge productivity gains. The winners over the next 5 years may not be the smartest people. They may be the people using AI most effectively. Concept number 9. Future-proofing your workflow. Technology changes quickly. Very quickly. The tools people use today may look outdated within a few years. RTX Spark is designed around future AI workloads. Not just current workloads. That means NVIDIA is betting on where technology is going, not where it has been. And historically, that's where the biggest opportunities emerge. Just look at cloud computing, mobile apps, streaming, or social media. The winners positioned themselves before everyone else saw the trend. And finally, concept number 10. Why this matters to everyday users. You don't need to be a programmer. You don't need to be an engineer. And you don't need to run a giant company. The AI revolution is becoming personal. Writers, designers, real estate photographers, small business owners, content creators. Everyone is beginning to gain access to tools that were once reserved for major corporations. That's the real story. Not Apple versus NVIDIA. Not Mac versus PC. Not chip versus chip. The real story is that AI computing is becoming accessible to everyone. And RTX Spark is one of the clearest signs yet of where the industry is heading. So here's the big takeaway. Apple Silicon transformed personal computing. But NVIDIA RTX Spark is trying to transform AI computing. Those are two very different missions. And over the next few years, we'll discover which vision shapes the future. One thing is certain. The competition is just getting started. And that's good news for all of us. If you found this breakdown valuable, keep an eye on the channel. Because the next wave of AI hardware is arriving faster than most people expect. And the opportunities it creates may be even bigger than the technology itself.